Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. And removing the hood is pretty straightforward removal, right? First of all, of course, you disconnect this line for the windshield washers, and then it's held by these two screws, right, on both sides. That's how it's attached to those supports, right? They can stay there, they don't have to be removed. Obviously this is in the straight up service position, right? And it should be easy, except you should have two people for that, right? I'm alone, so that might end up easily in some kind of disaster. If you want to have fun watching that, how it will fall on me or crash the whole car or break the windshield or something, stay with me in this video. Okay, as I said, I will start with removing the washer supply line, right? Let's run it through the hood here. I know this Mercedes is a beater, but I still have a respect for her. I don't want to destroy the paint here in this corner, right? So I will try to put a rag there and something strong, right? I found chunks of steel, and that should protect the body, right, from the hood making a hole in it. And each side has those two bolts, right, as we said, 10 millimeter. Let's see if it will give up. Obviously, I don't think this was ever removed before. Oh yeah, I should have some support here. As I said, I'm a crazy guy, so I'm going this way. And why I just don't experiment with it, what if I will move it down? Let's see if it will go. Will it stay? If it stays in the hinges, alright, look at that. Maybe that's the solution of this. We'll see. So far it's nicely disconnected on that side. Something keeps holding it here. I don't know what it is. But it's good. Yeah, here you go. This is when you eat a lot of good food, you can carry Mercedes hoods. That's pretty good, isn't it? Like it. Wasn't so bad. Let's go see together how much damage I caused to this poor thing. It looks like this plate saved it here perfectly. Now it's also the detail what you can see of the rust damage on the bottom. This entire supporting mechanism. It's unfortunately it rusted there, and that's why it's not working correctly. See the other side. I added here that piece of paper later. It was the bubble envelope, and it protected it nicely too, so there's no damage. Obviously, if this was expensive car, right, there's no way I will be able taking it off, because you will always scratch these bottoms there. But for this project car, I believe I did pretty good job. I'm assuming that if I unhook this spring, this will nicely fold down, right? That's perfect, so it's disappearing. I don't have to look at that. How is about this one? Oh, it can be unhooked too, completely. It needs more lubrication, and this one is hard to move, so I will have to lubricate those joints. That's good. I don't want to forget these 4 bolts. But yes, you was right, my friend. Take the hood off and enjoy this stack. I'm definitely going to mount the camera on the front and go for a ride, and it should be interesting. And of course there will be part of different video. So thanks for watching and be tuned because I have more coming your way very soon. See you later, my friend.